Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the most efficient ways to manage your Trello team settings, your full 2025 guide. First off, log into your Trello account and navigate to your team's homepage. Now, don't disregard this as a mundane step. It's the starting point of managing your team settings and ensures you're in the right place to make necessary changes. Next up, locate and click on Settings, found on the top right side of your screen. This is your team's control center, where you can modify various settings to streamline your team's operations. Now that we've done that, you'll see different options like team visibility, team membership restrictions, and board creation permissions. Let's start with team visibility. Click on it and choose whether you want your team to be private or public. This helps us because it determines who can see your team's boards and activity, ensuring the privacy and security of your team's work. The reason we move to team membership restrictions next is to manage who can join your team. Click on it, and you'll see options like anyone, members of your team, and only you. Pick the one that corresponds to your team's policy. This is crucial because it helps control the influx of members, maintaining the team's integrity and focus. Lastly, click on Board Creation Permissions. Here, decide who can create boards within your team. This is essential as it allows you to delegate responsibilities and promote collaboration, fostering a healthy team dynamic. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Remember, managing your Trello team settings is about keeping your team organized, secure, and efficient. So take these steps seriously and tune them to your team's needs. And with that, we wrap up our quick guide on managing Trello team settings. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to put these steps into practice to increase your team's productivity. Until next time, happy organizing.